I created this device initially to observe the threads in the cloth of my drapes. I have been able to grind the glass to achieve as much clarity as I have achieved magnification, but it takes some practice, good lighting, and a very steady and sharp eye. Curiosity has taken hold of me, and now I spend quite a lot of time examining things such as mold, insects, and drops of water. Particularly in water, I observed several tiny specks of earth and some green threads twisted like little serpents and laid out in an orderly fashion, much like the coiled tubes of copper or tin used by distillers to cool their spirits. Each of these threads was, in thickness, about equal to a single hair from one's head. When I compared water drawn fresh from the rain with that which had stood for some days in a jar, I found the latter full of small creatures, whereas the rainwater was clear and without such life. This taught me that these tiny beings, these animacules, arise in the water after it has been kept.